Race-inspired, supremely capable, the pinnacle of off-road 4-stroke performance wrapped in iconic Yamaha Racing livery. Get the look and feel of a Yamaha factory ride with your own Monster Energy-inspired Yz450F. New for 2025, competition-inspired Monster Energy styling. Roll like a factory pro with this striking Monster Energy Yamaha Racing Edition. Inspired by Yamaha's factory race team, iconic blue and black Monster Energy livery combines with the Yz450F's sleek, aggressive bodywork for a competition-ready look and feel. Revised suspension components and settings. A revised rear suspension linkage and updated shock settings enhance stability and traction feel in a wide variety of riding situations. To match the rear linkage revision, front suspension settings have also been updated, including incorporating delta-shaped piston shims, providing calmer front-end behavior and improved rider comfort. Revised front engine mounts to match the new suspension components and settings. The front engine mounts have been revised, improving chassis compliance and enhancing handling stability. New clutch design. An updated clutch design increases the number of holes feeding oil to the clutch plates from 6 to 18. Improving cooling efficiency for excellent reliability even under hard, continuous use. New handlebar switchbox design. A new handlebar switchbox now incorporates an updated raised rib design to help the rider avoid pressing the wrong button while wearing gloves. New foot peg bracket design. The new, lighter aluminum foot peg bracket has a revised shape to enhance rider ergonomics. Powerful 450cc 4-stroke engine featuring a reversed cylinder head layout, forged aluminum piston, 39mm titanium valves, lightened crank assembly and dry sump lubrication. The 2025 Yz450F's advanced DOHC 4-stroke engine is light, compact and world-renowned for its incredibly broad pulling power across the entire rev range. Adjustable traction control and launch control. The traction control system communicates wheel slip to the ECU, tuning the engine to maintain ideal rear-wheel traction. 3 levels can be selected: high, LOW or off. Advanced aluminum bilateral beam frame. The precisely tuned aluminum bilateral beam frame provides just the right amount of strength and flex for the perfect balance of stability and cornering performance. The result is a better handling machine with lighter feel, more agility and increased traction, allowing the rider to enter corners with greater confidence and more line choices. Class-leading suspension. The Yz450F's high-spec fully adjustable speed-sensitive system KYB coil spring-type fork is recognized as the gold standard in the 450 class, providing exceptional feel and bump absorption. Industry-leading Yamaha PowerTuner app. The free-of-charge Yamaha PowerTuner app brings the power of the GYTR PowerTuner to your iOS or Android device. Using wireless connectivity to talk to the bike's onboard CAN bus network, the app allows owners to adjust air, fuel mixture and ignition timing to tune engine performance for track conditions, record race log information and monitor a range of data such as maintenance and system diagnosis, engine runtime and more.